Hi guys, NDFJ, and as promised, here's part 3 to the ComputerCraft GUI tutorial. Now, I know I missed like a couple days, but I've been having computer problems, so yeah, I finally got myself back up, so here we go. As you can see, not made any changes, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this. Don't like that, I'm going to add in a little plus sign on it as well. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my GUI. And I'm going to come all the way down to here. So this is the draw desktop function. I'm going to drop that down a line. I'm going to term.set cursor position. I'm going to go 1, 7, and I missed a line. Oh. Then I'm going to go term.set text color. And that's going to be colors.red, print, and yeah, and I'm going to make this an 8. And I'm going to just go icon text over there, and up here I'm just going to define icon text. So icon text equals icon 1. Why is that there? So now if we pull up the GUI, it's nice and compact again. Right, that's exactly what I wanted. So the reason I wanted that there is because that's where I'm going to put the icon context menu. Yeah, so let's get started on that. So first thing I want to do is I want to define a new function for it. Just going to clean this up a tiny little bit, get rid of unneeded spaces. So function draw menu 2, not 3, end, and time.set background color. Background color is 128. Time.set text color 256. Term.set cursor position. This isn't defined yet, but it will be. So cursor position will be IX, IY, and right in here I'm just going to go IX, IY, and print 10 spaces, and then term.set cursor position IX, IY plus 1, print rename. You can have whatever you want in here, I'm just going for the standard stuff, so term.set cursor position IX, IY plus 2, print ch icon, just because change icon won't fit. Tab.set cursor position IX, IY plus 3, and I need to fix that. Nope, it's print. I'm going to go relink. And finally term.set cursor position ix iy plus 4 print, and there we go. So that works. Just quickly save that. So now what I need to do is I need to see where I'm putting it. So it's 1.7. So I'm going to drop down here. Else if else if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7 and button is equal to 1, then SLC equals 3, and I'm going to go draw menu 3. And this is going to be 1.7. Yeah. Nope. I'm going to make this 1.9. So if we reload the GUI, and if we click there, right, so 100 attempted call mill, so edit GUI, let's go to line 100. And that's why. And then reload the GUI. So if I click on that, it does that, which isn't gonna go away. But now we have that working, we can edit the GUI, make them actually work. So, edit GUI. So now we have icon text up there. I'm going to go icon equals, and we just called it icon. Then icon link equals file. Just keeping it simple. You can link it to whatever you want. So now we have this. Icon, just like that. That's not the part we want. The part we want is, I will find it. There we go. Shell.run. Icon link. And that shouldn't have made any difference to anything. It should all just work exactly the same, which it does. So we know that that works. Basically, I've redefined them all and put them in variables up here so that we can change them at a later date. Now we get here, so also press LC equals 2 and all the rest. Drop that down. LC SLC equals 3, then if and if x is greater than or equal to, what was it, 1, and x is less than or equal to 10, and y is equal to 10 and button equals 1, then I shall see equals 4. And this isn't defined yet, but I'm just going to go draw, rename, and else if x is greater than equal to 1 and x is less than equal to 10 and y equals 11 and button equals 1, then I've forgotten what I actually put, so I put rename, change icon, and relink. Then SLC equals 5. Else if x is greater than equal to 1 and x is less than equal to 10 and y is equal to 12 and button is equal to 1, then SLC equals 6. Actually, we don't even need them. So I'll just get rid of that. Right. So no, this wasn't defined yet, and it doesn't need to be defined. So rename. So term.set text color 6. Term.set cursor position 2, 8. I think it was. We'll find out. Print. That's a bit long. Term.set cursor position 2, 8. Input equals read. I need to set the background color as well, so set background color. I think it was back color. We shall find out. Yeah, back color. So now we come all the way back down, just so we know that we're using the right variables. Input equals read. Replace line. I'm going to put this function in straight after I've done this. Replace line with equals input. And I've forgotten what line it's on, so I'm just going to go find that out now as well. Line 11. And I'm just going to pause this a second. Right, I'm back. And this here, I'm using the flib API, so flib.replaceLine. And then right at the top, when we get to the top again, we're going to go os.load API. And I'm going to say flib. I'll include all of this in the description, don't worry. So now we can test that. So save. Right, so click on that, click rename. Okay, so it says expected string, so edit GUI. And I'm going to come back down, I'm going to see why it's expecting string. Expected string and string. You know, I'm just gonna see what I need, so I'm gonna go edit flib. Right, replace line. Ah, that's why. So edit GUI. Yeah, I forgot to say what file it needs to replace the line in. Still a mistake on my part. So this is GUI. And now if we pull this up and we rename it and go test, and if we reload, so edit. No, I know I've got an error there, but so edit GUI. So one thing I do need to do is when I'm done, well after I've renamed it, I need to slc equals 0, draw desktop, reload, so rename back. I don't know why it's doing that. I actually do know. No, I do not. So I'm going to find out right now. That should work. No idea why it's not. So instead what I might do is return GUI. I'm just going to return it and then reload it. So if we go GUI, Let's file, rename, test. There we go. Else SLC equals 0. Draw. Stop. So now we have our rename there. The next one was change the icon, and then it was change the link. So I'm just gonna do the change the link now because it's quicker, because it uses the exact same thing. So time.set background color, and I want this to be (256). And for I equals 1, 3, do so Alex equals, and I'm just going to go with, I don't know, 12, and I want it as ly instead, so ly. Sure, we'll have it as 10, why not? Y equals 1, 3, do print, and we want a nice big one. So term.set cursor position. I'm just going to go with 20. Oh no, I'm making guesses now. 20 ly print, and then ly equals ly plus 1. And I forgot to put an end in there. So this episode's a bit drawing out and me making a lot of mistakes, but what can you do, eh? And then end that one. So GUI. Pull this up. Ah, see, that works. It's not exactly centered, but it works. So I'm going to edit the GUI. I'm going to center it a little bit better, change its color. And now I'm just going to go time.set cursor position. And it's 19. I'm going to add a few more spaces in here. So 19.9. 19.8. No, 19.9. I was right the first time. I need to count how many spaces I've got here. So going to get rid of them all. So 20. $18. Time.set background color, and this is 256. Time.set cursor position 29. Time.set text color 1, and then input equals read. And now it's going to be the exact same principle as we used above. So it's going to be that exact same principle. So flib replace line blah blah blah. So flib dot replace line GUI, don't know the number, and it's going to be icon length equals toString don't forget to concatenate, so toString input go. And then it's return. Now I need to find what line that's on. So all the way back up to the top. 13, I think. Yeah, 13. Right, before we do that, I'm just going to edit test. Right, there we go. Oops, did not mean to do that at all. So I'm just going to reload that. It's because I didn't need this part here. It'll automatically return. So we run GUI, we pull this up, relink, and we just want to go to test. Now if we click it, this is a test. Awesome. And if we relink that to file, and we click it, there we go. So today we've managed to do quite a fair bit actually. This is cutting, well, it's nearly half an hour long. So I think I'm going to take it a little bit further in this episode than I usually would. And I'm going to create a new icon. So reload that. Paint icon 2, and I'm just gonna do an F. Just like that. like that. That'll do. GUI, and then finally, the final one is going to be an exact replica of the last one, but just up here. So done set. Background color 28. Y equals 8. For I equals 3. No, for I equals 1 comma 3. Do. I don't know why I put an if there. Just 4. I need to end that. I'm making so many mistakes today, it's unreal. So terminal set cursor position, and it's 18 ly, print, ly equals ly plus 1. Dot set cursor position, and I went for 19, 9, I believe. Yep, 19.9. Turn dot set background color 128. Nope, 256. Turn dot set text color 1. Dot set cursor position 29. Input equals read. Lib dot replace line GUI 12. Equals concatenating, and do that, icon equals toString, there we go, that should work. Reload the GUI. So if we change the icon, this can be icon 2, and there's something I forgot, so edit GUI. God, that's slow. So coming close to 40 minutes, we should be done. Here we are. to. Return. Run GUI. So now we have the app. Change the icon to icon. So change icon. Icon 2. Rename. File manager. And done. So that's all complete. Today we've managed to customize the icons. Been quite a slow day, and hopefully next episode we'll be adding in an extra thing there for the control panel, and then adding in the clock and all the rest. I wanted to get that all done today, but obviously that took a while. So everything I've used today and all the code I've written today will be in the description. And as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, edit to your favourites, subscribe to me, all the rest. And I shall see you in the next episode. See you later, guys. I'm AndyFJ. This is ComputerCraft Tutorials. Have a brilliant day. Bye.